Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the problems on division. Okay, in that first problem, 184 divided by 11. 184 divided by 11. So we have to do division with 11. 11, here 184. So here what is the first number? 1. So when first number is less than the division, it is what place? Hundreds place digit. This hundreds place digit is less than the divisor. We have to take next hundreds place and tens place we have to take together. Now it is 18. So this 18 is more than this 11 number. So we can do now, we can start the division now. Always when the first number is less than the divisor, we have to take the next number. Now we have to read these together. We have to take these together. 18. Suppose if these two are also will be less than the divisor, we have to take the third digit also. Understand? First number we have to check. First number is less than the divisor. We have to add next number to this. So we have to write, now we have to check these two together as dividend. Now we have to take these two together as dividend. So now 18. 11 table 18. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. So 18. 22 is more than 18 number. So we have to take 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. 8 minus 1, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. Next take 4 here. It is 74. Now 11 table 74. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44. 11 fives are 55. 11 sixes are 66. 11 sevens are 77. But here it is 74. So we have to take 11 sevens are 77 is more than this 74. So we have to take 11 sixes are 66. 11 6 are 66. Now we have to do the subtraction. From here to here take the borrow. From here to here take the borrow. It is 14. It is 6. 14 minus 6, 8. 6 minus 6, 0. Now in this is the quotient. It is divisor. It is remainder. So what is the check for this? Check. What is the check for this? Same for everything, same. Quotient into divisor. What is the quotient? 16 into divisor 11. 16 into 11 plus remainder 0, 8. But we have to take only 8. Now multiply with 11. 11 6 are 66. 11 ones are 11. 11 plus 6. 17. 176 plus 8. 176 plus 8. 184. It is dividend. Dividend. So, next, what is the quotient here? Quotient is equal to 16. Remainder is equal to 8. Some problems they will not ask check. Without asking check, they are asking write the quotient and remainder. After doing this one, we can write directly quotient and remainder. Checking given time, we have to do check. Next one. $613 divided by 25. 613 divided by 25. So we have to do the division with 25. 613. These are what divisions? A 3-digit number. Divide a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. A 3-digit number by 2-digit number. So 613. So first here 6 is there. This 6 is less than 25. So we have to take 1 also. Now 61 is the dividend. This 61 is more than this 25 number. Yes. Now we have to check the table. 25 0 every table zeros are 0 only. 25 ones are 25. 25 twos are 50. If you don't know, do side multiplication, you will get 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75. That 75 is more than 61. So we have to take 25 twos. 25 threes 75. So 25 threes more than 61. So we have to take 25 twos. 25 twos are 50. 1 minus 0, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. Next take this 3 here. Okay, next. 113. Now 25 table again. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100, 25 sixes are 150. So 25 sixes are 25 fives are 125. 25 fives are 125 is more than this 113. So we have to take 25 fours. 25 fours are 100. 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So 13 is the remainder. 13. There is no other number, so it will completed here. So it is remainder. It is quotient, it is divisor. It is divisor. Now check. We have to do the check here. What is the check for this? What is the check for this? Divisor, same. Quotient into divisor. Quotient 24 into divisor 25. Plus remainder 13. 25 fours are 100. So 10 here 0. 25 twos are 50. 50 plus 10 600 plus 13. 600 plus 13 613. It is dividend. So in this quotient is equal to 24. Remainder is equal to 13. Next one is 9241 divided by 14. 9241 divided by 14. So we have to do division with 14. 9241. So here we are dividing with 14. What is the first number here? 9. This 9 is less than 14. So we have to take 2. 92 now we have to take as dividend. This 92 is more than 14. So we have to check the 14 table. 14 table is 92. Where it will come? You have to check the table mark. 14 6s are 84. 14 7s are 98. So this 98 is more than 92. So we have to take 14 6s are 84. 14 6s are 84. So take borrow here 12. Here 8. 12 minus 4 8. 8 minus 8 0. Next here 4. Same again 84. 14 6s are 84. 14 6s are 84. 84 minus 84 0. Next here 1. 14 table 1 will not come. So 14 0 we have to take. 14 0 0. So 1 is the remainder. Here 1 is the remainder. It is quotient. It is divisor. It is divisor. So what is the check for this? Quotient into divisor. 660 into 14 plus remainder 1. 14 0 0. 14 6 are 84. 14 6 are 84 plus 8. 92. 9240 plus 1. 9241. So it is dividend. Now in this what is quotient? Quotient is equal to 660. Remainder is equal to 1. Next one 5140 119 divided by 46. 5119 divided by 46. Okay, now we have to do division with 46. 46, 5119. So 46 here 5. This 5 is less than 46. So we have to take 1. So 51 is dividend. If we take 5 as dividend, it will less than 46. So we have to take next number. 51 we have to take as dividend. Now this divisor is less than 51. So we can do division now. 46 ones are 46. Minus here 11. Here 4. 11 minus 6 5. 4 minus 4 0. Next again take 1. Same again 46 ones. 46. 11. Here it is 4. 11 minus 6 5. 4 minus 4 0. Next take 9. 46 ones are 46. 46 twos are 92. So it is not possible. Again we have to take 46 ones. 46 ones 46. 9 minus 6 3. 5 minus 1 4 1. Now it is the remainder. It is quotient. It is divisor. Now these are what division? Dividing a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. A 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. So we have to do the check for this. What is the check for this? Same. Quotient into divisor. 111 into 46 plus remainder. Remainder 13. So 46 ones 46. 46 ones 46 plus 4 50. 46 ones 46. 46 plus 5 51 plus 13. So 5119. If you add these two, we will get 5119. It is dividend. It is dividend. So how much quotient? Quotient is equal to 111. Remainder is equal to 13. Remainder is equal to 13.